Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I am sitting here at the Baby Lock Accolade. And you know I love the Sergers, Kyle.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes,
All
you
right,
do.
this machine comes with a thread guide, a quick reference threading guide.
Oh, and you did not laminate this one. You put it in
I
a
didn't.
sleeve.
I just had this in the sleeve, and actually this one goes to the Ovation because this one is still in its box. I didn't want to lose it.
Oh,
But
good
this one
idea.
works. All right, but let me show you what I've got here.
You're still gonna thread it the same way?
I am.
Okay.
All right, but I also want to show you this because this does not come with your machine, but it is something you can get for your machine. And let me show you why I love this so much. Right here in the front, it goes through everything that we will talk about.
Oh, nice.
Everything. Talks about all the dials, all the whistles, everything that is on your machine. Not only that, it talks about the threads that you use, the needles that you use, where you put all of that.
These are nice pictures.
They are so nice. And then if you want to attach elastic waist, shows you how to do it.
Oh.
Shows you how to do it. Here's how to gather heavy things. Shows you how to do it.
Wow.
And this, look how long this book is. It goes on and on and on.
Lots of things you can do with it.
Every seam you want to do is going to be in here. Did you
What
know you can
is
make tassels?
that?
Those are tassels.
No.
Isn't
What
that
stitch
cool?
do you use for that?
That is going to be
Chain.
a chain stitch.
Cool.
And here are tucks, top stitching, double needle top stitch.
I love that.
We are going to do
Love
that one. You will see how do we do that.
Because you can
Put a zipper in.
yes, and also can't you use it for ribbon?
Oh, yes, you can. And here's attaching ribbons. And this is done with 2 needles. This one actually has 3 in it. There's 2. And
Wow.
I love it.
That's
Anyway,
amazing.
this book is really an important investment. And it's not
And
that
this
much.
is sold separately.
It is sold separately, but it's really not that much. But it's so important for you to have. If you want to be able to do all these wonderful things on your machine and know how to do them, or if you have questions, this is where you go.
Oh, wow.
I
That's
love it.
awesome.
All right. Thanks so much.